To install Alteryx Designer on Windows, follow these steps. Download installer. Visit the Alteryx website and navigate to the download section. Select the appropriate version of Alteryx Designer for Windows and download the installer file. Run installer. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to launch the installation wizard. Begin installation. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup process. Click Next to proceed. Accept license agreement. Read the Alteryx license agreement and accept the terms to continue. Choose installation location. Specify the destination folder where you want to install Alteryx Designer. Click Next to proceed. Select components. Choose the components you want to install. Typically, you will install Alteryx Designer, but you may also select additional tools or connectors if needed. Start installation. Click Install to begin the installation process. The progress bar will indicate the status of the installation. Complete installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Launch Alteryx Designer. Alteryx Designer should now be installed on your Windows system. You can launch it from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Activate license. If prompted, enter your license key or sign up with your Alteryx account to activate the software.